We are now starting a discussion of Desjardins' discussion of affirmative action, and we are now in part one, in which we're going to discuss the issue of disproportional and unjust representation of minorities in the workforce. Also, as a cause of that, past slavery and discrimination. The subject matter of this discussion is whether affirmative action in business is needed as a solution of certain social problems, and whether there is a moral duty on the part of the employers to participate in affirmative action. We will discuss what affirmative action is, why it is needed, various types of affirmative action, strong and weak, and moral arguments for and against affirmative action. So why is affirmative action needed? To put the answer in contemporary terms, there is a social injustice in the workforce. A much smaller segment of the minority populations is in the higher paid and executive positions in the workforce than is the segment of the mainstream male white persons. Minorities are concentrated to a much larger degree in the lower paid and lower authority positions than are the mainstream male white persons. In terms of more official statistics, we will hear about the conclusions of various studies that state that Black males and women, on average, make 70 cents for every dollar that white males make. Unless we think that there is something biological that accounts for these disproportional differences, which we do not, the explanation must be social. The usual causes that are offered are, for example, slavery or discrimination in the past, or even contemporary discrimination, and so on, that put fewer resources into the hands of minorities. On the basis of these fewer resources that the discriminated against populations have, the minorities are disadvantaged in the competition for higher paying and higher authority jobs.